What's up guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a folder that has a password on it. So without further ado, let's start the video. So I'm going to go here up to Spotlight and put in disk. There it is, disk utility. Open that up, let it load, got all the disk information. Okay, once that's loaded, go to file, go to new, now go to disk image from folder. And I'm gonna put, okay, JavaScript. So I can go here and just, there's 4 items in JavaScript. JavaScript 1, JavaScript 1, 2, 3, yeah. So 4 items, click image, yep. And read and write, yes. 128-bit encryption is recommended. That's the way we can allow ourselves to put a password on it. So we'll go save. And now this is compressing the file into a suitable format. So yeah, I'm going to put in a password. You can put in anything you want, just make sure you remember it. Remember password? No, because if you do that, then what was the point of making a folder with a password on it if you have the password available for somebody else to have? Okay, click OK. Let that compress, make it into a .dmg file. Once that's compressed and made into the file format, I'll show you what happens next. Okay, it looks like it's done. So I'm gonna go to my desktop, put this down. There it is. So I'm gonna double click this and I'll put in my password, press OK, and there it is. Click this and there you can see the file, the folder with all the information and files. So if I go back into this one, there you go. So I'm gonna get out of this, close this down, go here and just eject that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for now.